former first grade teacher, I care deeply about education. That's why I'm voting for Amendment 2. Legalizing sports betting will generate tens of millions of dollars every year for our classrooms, helping increase teacher pay. Amendment 2 has a constitutional guarantee that ensures the money from sports betting goes to our schools. No more wasted dollars. Take it from this mom and former teacher. Amendment 2 is the right thing to do.
That's a Zipkin, isn't it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
That dude, Zipkin. Madison Avenue.
Who told you?
Call me. I can fix it. I can fix that too. Crying! Sorry I'm late. I had to do a lipo injection on an anorexic woman. Now she wants to be the fat lady at the circus. Cindy left me. No. I didn't see that coming.
You insulting my ex?
Of course not.
She's a bitch.
Is all I was saying.
She left me for some Brazilian guy.
And after all that work I did on her, we can build you a new one.
It's not just her. My whole life is a mess. Kill myself.